Hi and welcome to another product demonstration from TIS. Today we're going to be looking at our TIS 851 voltage and continuity tester. I'm just going to take you through a few features and benefits of our TIS 851. So first of all, we've got the GS38 compliant leads at the top. These are caps that actually unscrew, and if we're struggling and we need to get into the old nuts and crannies, they come off and simply screw back on again. See on the sliding scale on the front, it will measure 12 volts to 690 volts and it'll detect AC and DC automatically. It has phase rotation built in as well, so if you're working with motors. The button on the front there is a torch button. So again, if we're working in dark areas, we can see what we're doing. The digital display there will give us the exact voltage present. It conforms to BS61243 part 3, which means that if our battery fails in the tester and the main supply is still there, it will tell us that it's still live with or without a battery. Another great feature of the TIS 851 is a self-checker. So we put the leads together, we've got continuity, and if we touch the torch button that we touched earlier, it'll actually show all the lights lighting up. So another check there to make sure that the tester is fully working before we go onto a live supply. It comes with a nice padded carry case, which a lot of voltage and continuity testers don't. And that is our TIS 851 voltage and continuity tester. Thanks for listening.